So a common question we get with our 700 series applicators, whether it's a standalone applicator on a small square, round baler, or even a standalone on a large square baler, is if I'm not running through a baler isobus and I have a standalone ISO display, can I get away from the tablet? Or not even talk about the Harvest Tec dedicated monitor? And the answer is yes. A lot of newer tractors have what we call a diagnostic port. In place of our 765 CPH, our key power wire, we will remove this from our tractor side harness. Again, the 765 CPH, we're going to get rid of this harness. And for, again, those tractors who have this dedicated ISO plug, diagnostic port, on a Deere 6000R series, it's down there, we can then take our adapter harness, a 767A adapter harness with your round diagnostic port plug-in. One of these pins will have key power. We're going to plug this in. So now again, I've got my 7670A adapter harness plugged into my diagnostic port in my tractor. I'm plugging it into the 4-pin Deutsch plug on my ICM harness. And now I've populated an object pool. Again, on the Deere Gen 4 display, to toggle over to a new object pool, we can find the various controllers, and this is everything on the isobus, one of which is the Harvest Tec system, and we will utilize this as a dedicated ISO display. As you can see here, the system is currently under control by an app. We remove the charging communication cable from the tablet, and we have all of our functions now in a dedicated ISO display. No tablets utilized, simply using the diagnostic port, whether it's in a various tractor, or you may even have a standalone ISO display from a different implement. There's a lot of Deere 2630 monitors out there. That same round diagnostic port plug will be utilized to simply populate an object pool on that ISO display.